Hello guys, welcome to Dentist Ma. Today I would like to share with you few tips before your child is going to get vaccinated, what all you can do. The number one thing is get an early visit, early appointment when your child is not sleepy, so that the child can understand few things and is fresh and not cranky beforehand. The second thing is, in case you want to ask questions to your pediatrician about your child's general health, because we visit the pediatrician only during vaccinations, so you need to ask them before the vaccination is done and do not wait in the clinic after the vaccination is done, so that your child can be comfortable and go out and be fine a little sooner. The third tip would be, take the child's favorite toy, a musical toy or a rattle, and as soon as the doctor is going to inject the vaccination, just switch it on. Like the rattle, I have the rattle here. Just do this, and the child will get diverted, the mind, and the child will feel a little more comfortable. I hope the tips help you for your next vaccination visit. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and please share the video with all of your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.